designers, here with another tip of the day. So this is a little hack I found in Figma here. So we have a circle. If you can see, there's some openings here, and you know, I added an image, right? This X logo icon, and it's not filling up the space, right? Now, okay, for this example, right, I could fill it, and it does fill it, right? But there are pictures that when you either option, you have this issue, right? And a quick little hack that you can do is literally come over to the fill and just drag this below it, and then just make this the same color as your icon, and then you have a full circle. So hope that tip can help save you some time on designing. And don't forget to give me a follow on Twitter here for more design tips and content around no code and building products in public. Talk to you guys soon.